Come create a beautiful artwork with me in the Menorah A4 hardbound sketchbook that is perfect for all mediums. The one I am going to use today is the watercolor medium. I start off by sketching the base of the artwork using a regular pencil, then going ahead with the Prussian blue watercolor and my bob brushes. Before starting with the base color, make sure that you have diluted it with water so that it is in its lightest shade for the layers to pop up and complement each other. I am simply going along the boundary of my sketch in a slightly circular motion. Mixing a tiny amount of black color to my Prussian blue to give it the effect that I desire to see in the outcome. Going ahead with a 3-pointer rigger brush for the next step in this artwork, that is making of these trees that are very similar to pine trees. Now in order to make these trees, start off by making a straight line in the vertical direction and then make tiny slant lines on either side. Keep switching the shades by adding multiple colors to it. The theme for this artwork is blues and greens, so I am mixing a bit of sap green and verdian hue and making trees using different shades altogether. Once I am done with the first layer of trees, I am going to mix in a few shades including sap green, verdian hue and a little bit of black color to fill in the base for the rest of my sketch. I am going to add details by filling up the sketch with trees of a darker color. Here comes my favorite part. I am going to add a bit of water to the area where I haven't made any trees and going in by sprinkling some pink salt over it, which gives a beautiful effect once dried up. To finish off, I am going ahead by using my hard tip brush pen to letter this quote which says, "Scenery without solace is meaningless." And with that, here's our finished artwork.